Hi, Fat Andy here. Right, Italian week, well, Italian 2 weeks probably, at Aldi. These were out last week. We just picked these up this week. We were going to do them last week and they get round to it. Yeah, there they are. So we've got a spaghetti carbonara, if you can see that, and a chicken Alfredo, is it? Alfredo, however they pronounce it. We got them. Me and Kay are going to have one each. We will be trying them both. And we have a garlic bread. This was 49 pence, because it's on been reduced in price. I will put them on the screen here, how much these two were. I think they were £2.99 actually, off the top of my head. I'll put it on the screen and find out. Now, I know this garlic bread is very, very nice, because last week I picked my boy up the mac and cheese and the garlic bread, and he really enjoyed it. And me and Kay had a bit of garlic bread each, and that was spot on. It really was good. So let's take a closer look at these and get cooking. Right, here we go then. Spaghetti carbonara, ispirato all'Italia. It's been inspiration in Italy, I don't know. Alla dente spaghetti in an indulgent creamy cheese sauce topped with roasted smoked pancetta. That's the main. 14th of June. These are in the chill section. I know I've been out a week or so now. This is the second week of them. And then we've got the chicken Alfredo. Again, tender garlic and parsley marinated chicken in a creamy, what's that, Parmigiano Reggiano sauce with tagliatelle pasta. Again, that is a chilled main. Right, what I'm going to do is just pull these off. I'm not going to tip these upside down and get them all stuck to the lid. I'll pull the things off. We'll have a look at the ingredients. Right, spaghetti carbonara first. Right, flip this over. That's what I was saying here. Just tilt that to the light in China. No, what's worse. Hold on one sec. Cooked spaghetti in a cheese and cream sauce topped with roasted smoked pancetta. Yes, directions for use and everything. Microwave. Yeah, we're going to microwave these. I can't mess about in the oven, to be honest. That's the ingredients there, as you can see. Allergens of wheat, milk. That's about it. You can see that in bold. Nutritional information is there. Yeah, a little Aldi mark on there. 400 grams in weight. So that is spaghetti carbonara. I'll put it over there. Then we've got this chicken Alfredo, or Fredo, however you want to pronounce it. Flip that over. You can see here, cooked tagliatelle pasta with marinated chicken breast and a creamy Parmigiano, I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm English, not Italian. Reggiano cheese sauce topped with parsley. That's your directions for use. Microwave again. Instructions are there. If you want to oven cook it, you can see it there. This, tilt that. I'm trying to get this light off this. God almighty, it's dreadful. Here's the ingredients. We've got, that's Kay shouting in the background at the cat. Ingredients are wheat, milk. That's about it there. Nutrition information is there. And that again is 400 grams. Right, let's just cut this rubbish now. Let's get cooking. Oh, and that's the garlic spaghetti. I do highly recommend these. I tried one bit in my boys last week and that was fantastic. And these things are down 49 pence in there. Just a quick look at ingredients. And I'll give advice if anyone can see it in there. Kay's still shouting at the cat, and that is nutritional information. Right, let's just get cooking with this stuff. Right, let's pierce these lids. That's the best thing. Same with this. That'll do, and then we'll see what's going on. Right, this is the garlic bread there. You can see that it's stuffed up with butter. They are really nice, so I just thought I'd show you that before I cook it up. Right, this is the spaghetti carbonara. You see it there all done. So we're going to get that out onto a plate. I think Kay's having this one. I'm not sure anyway. We'll spread it and we'll try it between us and see what it's basically all about. Got plenty of sauce in there. Get that out of there. That's the spaghetti carbonara. As you can see there, steaming well. The chicken Alfredo, whatever they call it, is now done. So we'll get that out as well. Right, this is the chicken Alfredo. As you can see here, done these both in the microwave. That is so hot, that's ridiculous. Sauce seems a little bit thicker in this. Get this all out anyway. And yeah, we'll see what this is all about. Right, and this is the garlic bread, which Kay's now going to cut up, so I'll leave her to do that. Right, just let her cut this up. Right, there you go. Kay's showing the old garlic bread there. This is really nice. We did try this last week when my boy had it, and that was good. Right, let's have a look at this lot. Right, there we go then. That's Kay with her carbonara, that's me with this chicken Alfredo. But we will try each other, so yeah, got the garlic bread there. So get stuck in, Kay, and tell me what it's like.
All right.
We'll go straight into the chicken with this. We see these last week. We did get them because we had other things planned. But they have come down slightly in price. Hope that's good. Chicken Alfredo. Never had it before, don't know what it's like. Pretty bloody good. I reckon that is. The Alfredo's, I don't know about yours. Cool.
This is nice as well.
That's a nice bits of chicken in there. That's some real good lumps. We should have counted them ready in front of the camera. I mean, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. 6, 7. I just ate a bit. That is really nice. That's got tagliatelle. What's yours like, Kay?
Nice. It's
is it good?
Spaghetti and the creamy white sauce is nice if you want to try a bit.
God, we'll do it in a minute. That Alfredo is absolutely spot on. I really, honestly like that. Never had it before in my life. I've heard of it.
I've never had it.
No, we can have a go. That's really good. Wow, I'll tell you something. At the end of the day, if I was going to score something like that, let me get another fork out of here. If I was going to score something out of that, for an actual sort of, we could call it a ping meal, ready meal, whatever you want to call it, I would be pushing a good 9.5 out of that. That is really good.
Try that bit here, see it and get a bit of the
ham.
The ham or bacon, whatever it is.
There we go.
Get a bit of meat.
Hang on a minute, I'll get the bit. I've been instructed to get a bit of meat. One sec.
And what do you think?
Oh, that's bloody nice. Oh, that's nice.
That is the creamy sort of white sauce.
Aldi's got that spot on. Enjoy that. Just try that Alfredo or Fredo, however you pronounce it. Because that, I'll tell you something, is absolutely cracking. Slightly drier, that seems. But the taste is amazing. What do you reckon of that, Kay?
Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to get, I don't know why I don't go a 10 ready on these. Because, you know, I'm going to go a 9.5 out of 10. I don't know why I'm going to go 9.5 out of 10. But that is really nice. And then you've got the garlic bread.
Can you taste a bit of garlic in that?
Yeah, oh yeah, there's got garlic in it and everything. Then we've got the garlic bread. And I know that these are good because my boy had this last week. As I say, we had the, what was it he had? Mac and cheese, wasn't it?
And
Now
that was loaded with
yeah. He
cheese.
said it was really nice, but it was very, very rich. But we had a couple of bits of his garlic bread, what he gave us he didn't want. And that's really nice, isn't it?
Mm. Crispy on the outside and nice and soft in the middle, isn't it?
That is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Now, in our local Aldi, you swallow that bit. 49 pence, weren't it? And that come down from, was it 1.99 or 1.49 or something last week?
Was it 1.49?
Something like that. Then at 49 pence. Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. And I should have done it today. I'm going to go up there. I'm going to buy a shitload of them. At 49 pence each. I'm going to freeze them. Because that garlic bread is very, very good.
Yeah, that is.
What would you score them out of 10? Each of them.
Well, I'd give it an 8.
An 8? I'd give it a 9.5.
Are you?
No, he said that. But that's up to you. That's my own personal thing. That is really good. Is that an 8 for your carbonara?
Yeah.
Alfredo, same? Yeah. Cake on 8 out of 10. I'm going 9.5 out of 10. I think, and I will say, these two dishes,
What about that?
the garlic bread, I'm going to go 9.5 again. I can't go, do you know what I mean? That's me. Well, I don't know about you.
I'd go
The chicken, look at that chicken, it's a couple of bits of chicken there.
8.5 for the garlic bread.
That is lovely. A little bit, probably,
What?
on the dry side.
Is it?
Well, slightly, I mean, it ain't really, really runny, but do you want that runny? I think that's banging. I think that tastes as that. Sometimes I think, if you get things too dry, you think, oh, it's a bit dry. I don't know. I like it. I honestly like that. I think that's bloody fantastic, right? That.
And this garlic bread.
That's lovely, isn't it? The creaminess, the flavour splitting through that.
We got plenty of chicken in there.
Oh no, it's loads in here. They are worth trying. I'm telling you now, I haven't tried the others, so I don't know what they're like. Any other YouTube channels have tried them, they probably have. I do not know what they've done. But that's spaghetti carbonara and chicken Alfredo. I'll tell you now, I'm giving it a 9.5 through 8. Kay's gone 8 out of 10, ain't you?
Yeah.
Both of them. And what do you say the garlic bread? 9.5? 8.5. 8.5 you said, didn't you? I said 9.5. I'll give it a 9.5 all the way through. As I say, I don't know what the other dishes are like. I really don't. But these are really good. And if they're going to reduce these down in price somewhere along the line, if you sort of could buy them on the day, because it's going to run out in about a few days, isn't it?
Yeah, it will run out soon.
Yeah. If you just see them, you like things like this, get them and freeze them. Just bung them in the freezer and away you go. I'm going to get a little garlic press. I'm going to put 10 sticks on them. Get a fiver's worth, just hull them in there. Why not? 49 pence, you can't go wrong. Right, that's our opinions. Try them out. I know I'm a week late from when they first come out, but they've got stacks of them, but they have in our local store. Just try them, because they're really good. If you like Italian food, that is banging. Thumbs up if you like this, give us your comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so to help the channel. And we'll hopefully catch you lovely people in the next one.
See ya.
Let's get romantic with a cornetto.
Ah.
Catch you later. See ya.
See ya,
Cheers.
bye.
Bye.